Let's build a basic calculator in Python. We'll start out by asking the user to pick an operation with an input method. Let's say we want to add two numbers together. We can create a variable for the first number and another variable for the second number, again asking the user for an input. But don't forget, inputs return a string. As you can see, when we try to add 20 and 24, we get a string concatenation. To fix this, just add a float method around the two input methods and you'll get some numbers that you can work with, as you can see here. Now, we're going to create some if statements to determine which operation to perform on our two numbers. If the user enters a plus, then we'll perform addition. Minus will perform subtraction. And same thing for multiply and divide. If the user enters anything else, we don't want to be able to do anything, so we'll just put do nothing. Now, let's create a variable called result. And for addition, set it equal to num1 plus num2 and print it. For subtraction, it's going to be num1 minus num2, and for multiply, pretty much the same thing. And for divide, let's test it out. Let's add 20 and 24, and you'll see we get 44. Multiply, 10 and 2, we get 20, and divide, we're all done. You just built a calculator.